This extended run full trash water pump from Powerhorse is ideal for big jobs that need superior performance and durability. The 212cc OHV engine delivers 11,000 GPH with a 98-foot maximum head and a maximum suction lift of 26 feet. It uses 2-inch hoses to handle soft solids up to 3/4 of an inch in diameter. Silicon carbide seals resist corrosion, wear, and heat better than a standard seal. And a durable cast iron impeller and volute reduce vibration for longer semi-trash operations. It has an aluminum pump housing that resists corrosion for durability. A large 2.9-gallon fuel tank delivers up to 8 hours of runtime. The low oil shutdown protects engine components, while the rugged roll cage protects the entire pump and engine. For big jobs that need superior performance and durability, get this extended run full trash water pump from Powerhorse.